Hi friend, in this video I'm going to show you how to resize the sources that we use in OBS Studio for recording the videos. If you are new to OBS, then you can refer the videos that I have given in the description of this video. Those videos will let you know about OBS, what OBS is, how to download, how to install, and how to start using it. So you can get these details from those videos. Okay, so let us start how to resize the sources. So let me add a source. Let's take a simple source, that is image. Click OK. Let's browse the image. Click OK. So now I have added a source, that is an image source. In order to resize this, you have to go to the pointers. Here you can see red pointers on every side of your image source. So your first option is to press the left click of your mouse and hold that, and then move the cursor like this. This will resize the image from all the sides. Okay, like this. You can also place move your image in between or anywhere you want by pressing the left click and holding that, and then moving your mouse. Okay, so this will resize the image from all sides. Now if you want to resize it from one side, let's say on the right side, then for that you have to click the shift button and the left click of mouse and hold that, and then move your mouse like this. Okay, so the shift button and the left click of your mouse, hold that, by after pressing that, hold that, and then move the mouse. Okay, now let us see another option, that is you have to right click on this image source and then go to transform, edit transform. Here you can see the size option. You can specify the size that you want here in pixel. Let's say I need 600 to 500. You can resize from here as well. You can see other options as well, like position, rotation, and other options. Close. So this was another option to resize the source image. So anything that you do by resizing the image like this, your pixel is going to be changed, the pixel width and height that we saw here. Okay, so the next thing that you can try is, if you want to crop your image, you can use this option, cropping. Let's say if you want to crop from top, you can increase this. Now you can see it is cropping the image from the top. Okay, let me undo this. Okay, so another thing that you can try to resize, you have to right click on the image, then you can see a couple of options here. Fit to screen, if you use this, it will change the size like this. Okay, now if we see the pixel, you can see the pixel has changed. Okay, and similarly you can also try stretch to screen. You can see it has been stretched. Okay, let me undo this by pressing Ctrl and Z. Okay, so these were a couple of options that you can try to resize the source. Now let us add another source, that is display capture, because in most of the cases you would need this source display capture, and resizing this source is quite interesting and it may not be as you expect. So let me show you. Okay, now we have added a display capture source, and in order to resize this, you can again follow the same step. Just press the left click and hold that, and then move your mouse. So let me tell you what will happen when you will record your video using this size option. So in this case, your recording will include all the screen, the desktop screen. So anything that you can see in your preview box, here you can see the preview box, it contains the taskbar and other stuff. So your recording will also contain the taskbar. It's not like that only this portion of your screen will be recorded. Let me make it a bit more clear. So when you resize the display capture source like this, it doesn't mean that it will include this much of your screen. No, it will include all the screen. Okay, but that will be fitted in within this size. Okay, so your recording will contain the whole screen within this size, and it will also contain a black bar on your right side and on the bottom in your video. So you can say that anything that you can see in the preview box, you that will be included inside the recording. So let me undo this, and we can also increase the size only one side if you want. So for that, you have to click the shift button and the left click of your mouse and hold that, and then move the mouse like this. Now if you record your video, your taskbar will not be visible in your recording. So if you are able to see the screen, the complete screen in your preview box, that means that is going to be recorded in your video as well. Okay, and you can also increase right side like this. One thing that I would like to point here is when you increase the size of your display capture source more than the preview box, in that case the video quality might suffer a little bit. Okay, and let me undo this. Another thing that you can try, you have to right click on this, ensure that the display capture source is selected here. When you right click on this, okay, right click on this and go to transform, go to edit transform. Again, here you can see the size option. You can change the size from here as well. Okay, whatever size you are interested in, you can use here. And there is one more option as well, that is cropping. You can crop the image from any side, bottom like this. You can crop the, okay. So you can crop the image from any side, left, top, right, bottom, whatever. You can also do the alignment of your source from this option, positional alignment. So these were a couple of the options that you can try to resize the sources that we use in OBS Studio. If you want to hide your taskbar while recording, I have given a video in the taskbar in the description of this video. You can refer that video in order to see how to hide the taskbar from your recording. Okay, so that's all about this video. I hope the video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching the video.